apart from Zumba dance, which is why I like to incorporate it in my daily workout routine. What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, no other girl, Viana's Beauty. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related. And when I talk about beauty, I mean beauty. Where we talk about everything beauty related, from makeup, lifestyle, hairstyle, fashion, and of course fitness. And in the aspect of fitness today, I'm gonna be talking of how to regain your size after birth. Okay, and I don't want you to click out of this video if you don't have a child yet. Even if you're a man, someday you'll get married to a woman, and you need to know these tips in order for her to be intact or to be how you met her. Before we get into the topic of today, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, my beautiful people, don't disgrace me by not subscribing. All this cajoling that I'm cajoling won't be for nothing. Please hit on that red button and join the family, because in this our family, we are all about slaying. Okay, so today I am doing a collaboration with a wonderful, beautiful, astonishing soul. Let me not let the cat out of the bag, because you will discover her by yourself on this channel. And it's no other person but Simply Joecy, and we are discussing 10 ways to regain your desired size or shape after you've had a baby. 80% of women do gain weight, which was the case with me after having a child. Okay, so that's what this video is all about. If you don't have a baby yet, just watch, because someday you're gonna be a mom and the feeling is great. Okay, so to quickly get into the video, like I said, Simply Joecy will be joining us today, so stay tuned. Just follow till the end. Okay, so since I'm doing a collaboration with Simply Joecy, we're gonna be sharing the points 5. Okay, so you watch 5 points on my channel and head over to Simply Joecy's channel and watch 5 points there. Please, when you get to her channel, do let her know that you are coming from my channel. I just want her to feel the love I have from her and the love you, my subscribers, have for me. Head over there, subscribe to her, and tell her you are from Viana's Beauty.
Hello Vivian, thank you so much for having me on your channel. I am delighted to be here. And hi to you who is watching me. I'm honored to be in your presence today. So what I have to say is that before I got pregnant, I have always been very cautious of my food portions. I would rather have 4 to 5 small portions of meals throughout the day with very healthy snacks in between, instead of having 3 heavy meals in one day. This has really helped me a lot to maintain this size that I have now after giving birth to 2 children, because I have always maintained the same eating habits before I got pregnant, during pregnancy, and after pregnancy. I believe that this eating habit has helped me a lot to maintain this size even after having 2 children within 7 years. My size has not even increased by up to 1 size, so it's not easy maintaining almost the same size for 7 good years. I used to be a size 12 in 2012, and right now I still wear UK size 12, so my size has really not increased. I might have really just grown a little bit, as in added more flesh to my skin, but my size has not changed at all. I still fit into size 12 clothes. That's just to show you that that habit has helped me a lot to maintain this size that I have now for 7 years, and after having 2 children. All right guys, that is what I have to say regarding this point. Thank you so much guys.
The next thing I did, which kind of brought back my desired size, was I stopped eating late. Okay, the latest time I ate was at 6 p.m. and this instruction was given to me by a personal coach, which is actually one of the things I did. I registered with a personal coach, and I've said it a number of times, if you need such services, I do render such services. So she told me that when you eat after a particular period of time and you stay still, the food doesn't have time to digest. And if you're struggling to lose weight, you need to have the highest level of digestion. As much as possible, your food has to digest and digest fast. So she told me, Vivian, you have to stop eating at 6 p.m. And if you at all, you are so hungry, you really have to eat. The only thing you're allowed to eat is cucumber, and that should not be more than 7 p.m. That's what she told me. And I started practicing this, and when I started practicing this, honestly, I started seeing results.
Thank you so much for still being here and watching until now. You are the real MVP. I know that what I'm about to say, somebody will be giving me a side eye like, what is she claiming? But I will not come and sit here and say things that I have not done. When I was pregnant, I did not let my pregnancy cravings control what I eat. I know that it's normal for a pregnant woman to crave a lot of things, but in my case, when I craved anything, if it's something that will add to my weight more than the normal weight that I already have from carrying the baby, then I would rather stay away from it and probably grab something else to substitute that craving. I made sure that I stayed in control of everything that goes into my body, because our skin is a result of what we put inside. And I know that if I consume a lot of things that were adding fat into my body, it will be even more difficult for me to lose that weight after having my baby. So I did not let random cravings control my appetite. If I crave something that I know that is not so fatty, or something that I know that is healthy, I'll definitely go for it and I'll eat it in moderation. But if I crave something that I know that is going to accumulate fat in my body a lot, then I would rather not have that. I'd rather grab a healthy snack to have, and just something that can divert my mind away from whatever that I was craving for. All right guys, thank you so much for listening.
Okay, the next thing I did that gave me the size I have now is I stopped eating all sorts of junk food, fizzy drinks, sugar, ice cream. If you don't know what junk food is, ice cream, cake, popcorn, I stopped eating all those things. No cake, no pancake, nothing, except it's made from almond flour or coconut flour, because then I was kind of in keto, and if you want to consume all these things, you only have to use almond flour, coconut flour, and no white flour, no wheat, nothing. Okay, so that's the next thing I did. And when I stopped, especially the fizzy drink, the junk, I discovered that my body too was changing, coupled with the fact that I was drinking detox water. I'm a huge fan of detox water. I always talk about detox water on this channel. If you want to know what detox water is all about, I have a video on that. I'll try to leave the link so that you can click on it and see and know how to make it. So when I stopped consuming this thing, as I was saying, my body started glowing. I discovered a change in my complexion. Okay, so you're struggling with acne or just weight, you want to consider stopping junk food.
Before I go guys, I'm going to give you guys a bonus tip. That is something that I used to do even before I got pregnant for my first child. I still do it now, and I've been doing it throughout, except when I am pregnant. But when I'm not pregnant, I do it, and that I believe has been very helpful to keep my belly tight. It's basically tightening, like to tighten your belly. When maybe you're about to take a picture and your belly is looking fat in the picture, you try to hold it in so that it looks slim in the picture. Yes, that is what I've been doing. I tighten my belly whether I'm about to take a picture or not. It has become a habit now. That is something that I just thought I put it out there. You can practice that as well, and I believe it helps to keep your belly muscles tight and intact. All right guys, thank you so much for watching.
Last but not the least, thing I did to regain my desired size was to exercise. Now it's no secret on this channel that I never did any form of serious exercise apart from Zumba dance, which is why I like to incorporate it in my daily workout routine on the channel, because some people do love dancing and it's the only motivation for them to work out. So that was what I did to kind of regain my size, the size I have now, the body you see now. These are a combination of different things, okay? If you try one thing and it's not working for you, you gotta try the other thing, girl. Don't just give up and you say, no, I've put to bed, I've become fat. Like the person that coached me, this lady has 7 kids. Like, she's my highest motivation. She had 7 kids, but if you see her, you wouldn't even know. Her first child is like her sister. Like, I don't even know how I can explain it. So you can have children and still have your desired body. Don't hide behind the fact that you have kids and you just be anyhow. You need to look beautiful. You need to glam up. You need to make your kids feel proud of you, okay? In my weight loss story, I kept on telling you how my daughter was always telling me, Mom, you're too fat. Whenever I go to pick her from school, she's embarrassed because she didn't like the way I look. She didn't like the way I was fat. And I noticed she was only 5 years dead. I noticed like she would hardly introduce me to her friends, honestly. But now, before I even go, she said, oh, meet my mom. Like, she feels so proud, so happy when I look beautiful. She'll tell me, Mom, you look beautiful. Like she told me today, Mom, you look beautiful. I did this hair myself. So when I was doing it, she was like,
Mom, will you do the same hair for me so that we can have matching hair?
That's how she was talking to me. So you looking good is not just for yourself. You having the size that you want is not just for yourself. It's for your family, it's for your husband, it's for your partner, it's for your kids, and it's for the people around you. Even if they don't tell you, you need to feel happy and confident and just feel good about yourself, okay? So these are the points we have for you today. I hope you go forward to Simply Joecy's channel and subscribe to her and tell her that you are from Viana's beauty family. I love you all so much, my people. Any other topic you want me to talk about concerning childbirth or anything, weight loss, how to manage, or I have another video coming up, how to manage postpartum depression, because after you've had a baby, oh my god, you can so much get into a depressing state. I know what I'm talking about. Let me not let the cat out of the bag. That is it for this video. I love you so much, my subscriber. Bye bye.